There's no such thing as work-life balance. None!
Just fucking do it. Subscribe now. I still don't like firing people. I'm very good at it now because I've done it so many times. But when it gets easy for you to fire, you ought to retire. It should never be easy because you're disrupting lives. Mortgages, kids can't go to school, all that shit. But if you think about all that shit, you'll never make a decision. There's going to be collateral damage. But the collateral damage isn't life and death. As I told you, Fred Smith said many years ago, when I discovered that my mistakes weren't sending boys home in body bags from Vietnam. I never had a hard decision. But there's never an easy time to make a tough decision. Never. It's not going to get any easier, a month from now, a week from now. It's not the employees that you fire that kill your business. It's the employees you don't fire that kill your business.